Hello everyone. Welcome back to Artificial Professor. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to add a swipe up link to your Instagram story. So let's get started. First of all, open your Instagram app and tap on your profile picture in the upper left corner to see the story options. Now click a picture from your camera to just add any picture from your gallery. Here, you have to tap on this sticker and a drop-down menu will appear. Tap on the link option and then paste the link that you want your audience to visit. After doing that, tap on the Done button to save the changes. Now that your link is added, you can type swipe up and you can also change its fonts and styles according to your requirements. Everything is done and all you have to do is share this story with your audience so that they can visit the link you provided. That's it for today's tutorial, and if you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.